Hi everyone, this is Tammy Middendorf, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to use the PlantNet plant identification app. So first what you're going to do is you're going to have to install the app. So you're going to go into your app store. Mine is Google Play because I have an Android. And you're going to search PlantNet, and then this is the app that you're going to want. So I'll zoom in here so you guys can see it better. And you're going to open the app. It's going to ask if you want to use to enable your GPS. You don't have to if you don't want to. And so here you can see that it has a projects page, a news page, Explorer, and then My Observation. What you're going to want to do is go down to the little camera icon down here, and you're going to tap on it. When you first open up the app, it's going to ask you if it can have access to your camera and to your to the media on your device, and you're going to want to allow both of them. So you can use the app in two different ways. You can either take a picture of the plant you want to identify, or you can upload or choose an item from your gallery to identify. So we'll first do one from my gallery, and we'll go into gallery here. And the one that I'll identify is I have some from when I went to Costa Rica in high school, and so we'll just find one. So we'll choose like this one, and then it's going to ask you the organ. So you do either leaf, flower, fruit, or stem. We'll do flower for this one, and then it'll search. And then it'll come up with some. And so it's not always accurate, and that's why it gives you a couple different options. So like red maple, that obviously isn't it. This is a lot closer, so you can see it gives you the scientific name and then the common name. So large leaf deirdre tree, I think is what that says. Or here's another one for hibiscus, which is what it was. And it gives you a couple different options, and then you can just confirm it. And then it will say that your observation will be reviewed by the community. So if you want to confirm it, then you'd have to create an account. You don't have to if you don't want to. So you can just go back. If you go into My Observations into that tab, it'll show you the plants that you have tried to identify. So here's the two that I have done. And so then to take a photo and identify a flower, you're going to tap the icon again. And then you're going to choose your camera. And so then here it's onto my camera, and then here's a bunch of flowers that my mom has. So we'll just take a picture of one of them. Try to get a good one. And then here it'll say you can either retry or okay. We'll do okay. And then flower again. And it'll search. And then here it comes with the options: common primrose, gray leaf citrus, garden cosmos, and then a couple other ones. And so you would just, if you wanted to, confirm the one that you want. And again, then you can just go into My Observations and see the plants that you've identified. And that is how you use the PlantNet app to identify plants.